Rahmanir Rahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Look, my dear, what is written there? Different shapes
Different shapes
of
of
the
the
alphabet.
alphabet.
And different shapes of the alphabets. Okay?
A, A, C,
Listen.
B,
Yeah. Letters, correct. Look it now. What is first letter?
Alif.
Look, my dear, Alif will come all the time like this. Alif will turn
Like this.
like this, right? Like this, like this. Okay? Alif will turn right. Look, for example, I am writing there. Read please, there are two letters. Which are two letters, this one?
Right.
Read please letter names. Which are letters? One is,
One is Kalf.
what is this
Ba,
called? One dot
dal,
down.
dal, dal, dal.
One dot down is called
Da,
ba. There is a
ba.
ba, and what is this one? Straight one?
Alif.
Yeah, please carefully 100% focus, please.
Ba,
So,
Alif.
look,
Ba,
now
Alif is.
Alif is turning right, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Look, this one is Alif. Okay? In different shape, different form. Now look
Yeah,
ba.
that side.
What is this now?
Ba.
So ba has some shapes different. One sometime ba can come like this, sometimes in this pose, right?
Yes.
Look, we are finding now ba.
Ba.
Ba. Can you
Ba,
see?
ba,
Can
ba.
you see in this line, in this box, is
Yeah.
there ba?
Yeah, I see ba
With
and lam.
yes,
Ba lam means
ba and lam. Okay, this is
ba lam.
ba and lam. Nice. So now this ba is
This
in
ba
in
is.
this number. Which one? Number one or two? Which type is this?
I gonna choose two.
No.
Two.
Look it please. This ba. This one. If this
One. It's one. It's one.
one, mashallah, genius. Okay, please find another ba. Can you find here a second type of ba? Where are you? We are finding.
Goo.
Please help me to find. In this box, can you see in this
It's
box?
in Ghun.
Can you see? Can you see in this box, my dear? In this box, is there
Yeah,
ba?
this is ba.
Is this first one or second one?
Second.
Good job. Second, right? This one, number two.
This is number two.
Thank you. Like the same way, like ba, ta has like this shapes. This is ta. What is this letter?
This is da.
Look it please. This is sometimes ta can come like this, sometimes like this, and sometimes like this. There will be ha. You know this is ha, right?
Ha.
With two dots. Sometimes this will become a ta. Sometimes
Da.
like this is also ha, right?
Yeah.
But there, if you see there are two dots, then you can say ta. Without dots is ha. Ha.
Ha.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Now we are going to the next letter. And before going to next, we have to practice now ta. Are you ready?
Da.
Yes, ta. Are you ready? We have to find.
I remember the
Okay, look.
best
One,
letter ever
two,
I read.
three, four. There are four
Four.
shapes. How many shapes?
Four.
You have to find number one. Look it please carefully. Are you ready?
Yes.
Look, my dear, there are letters. Can you find in this box where is ta?
Okay. Okay. Wait. Let me 1 second, please.
Yes,
Go
please.
down. Here.
Oh, is this number 1 or number 2?
Can you show me, please, the
Oh,
number?
okay. Yeah, why
Number
not?
one.
Number?
One.
Good job, mashallah. Now we have to find number 2. Number 2, okay?
Okay.
We don't have much time. We have to find. Okay. Letters. Where are you? Please find. Help me, please. Help me to find. Look it, please. In this box, is there ta?
Yeah. Yes, I see. I see it. I
Look it,
see it.
please. Is this first one or second one?
This is ta 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 ta
Ta,
ta.
right. Is this first one or second one?
Second.
Second, right. Second one looks like this. Second one look.
Like this.
Yeah. Now we have to find third one. Look it, please. Number 3.
Number three.
Are you ready? Look it, please.
Yeah.
Number 3 carefully.
Da.
Ta will become like this, like a ha. Top of the ha, 2 dots like a ta. Okay?
Da.
This is called circle ta. Look it, please. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Um, did you find? Did you find? I found something. One second. One second. Look it, please. In this box, can you find ta?
Okay, I see it. I see it. I see it. I
Okay.
really see it.
Look this one carefully. Okay. Is this third one or fourth one? Which type is this?
This is the third one. This is the third.
Look
No, the
carefully.
fourth. The fourth. We took that.
Yeah, this is
The fourth.
fourth one. What is this letter now?
Ta.
Ta.
T
If they,
A A A.
if we remove dots, what will left?
It gotta be
Ha.
ha.
Yes. You're genius. Really, you are
Let me
genius.
say you thank you. Let me say you thank you.
Okay. Welcome. You're
Wait.
welcome. Mashallah. Now please. Third one. Third one is left. Okay. Third one will be. Yes, I am trying to find. I found it. Can you help me to find in this line, in this box? Where is third ta?
Here. It's here. I see it.
This one?
No.
Tell,
Ah.
tell
Yeah.
me
I
where to
see the
stop.
fourth. I see the fourth.
Is this
I think it's that.
this one?
Yeah. That one is fourth.
Tell me please, is this third one or fourth one? Which type is this?
Fourth.
Look it please.
No, the third.
Yeah, this is third one. This is.
Third one.
So what is this letter name?
Ta.
Yes, ta. We are learning forms. We are learning different shapes letters. Okay. So
Yeah.
letters now done. Which one? Alif, ba,
Alif.
and
Ba.
ta.
Ta.
Okay, tell me please. Alif, one shape, sometime like this. Okay. Ba has two shapes. Ba has how many shapes?
One, two
Two.
shapes.
Yeah. And ta has.
Four shapes.
Sa has
Two shapes.
two. Okay. Please.
And Jiva, three shapes.
Yeah, right. We are learning today first four letters. Okay. Now tell me about this one. Okay. This one.
Ta.
1 second, please. Number 1, number 2. Are you ready?
Number one is Sa, and
Which one we
number
have to
two,
find first? Number 1 or number 2?
number two.
Number 2. Okay. If you help, then I will able to find quickly. Please help me to find Sa.
Wait,
Sa.
pause. I see it. No,
Where
hold
is?
on, no, not that.
Where
Not
is?
that. Pause.
Okay,
Go
okay.
down,
Pause,
go
pause.
upper, go
Where did you
upper.
find?
I found it.
Where is that?
That's I found it. I really found it.
Where is that?
This is Thaa. Thaa.
Is this?
Yeah.
Wow, you are really genius. Is this first shape or second one?
Let me see it. Can
Oh,
it is?
yeah, I'm showing again.
It's the two. It's the number two.
Number two, second one. What is this letter name?
Thaa.
Genius. Sarhan is genius.
Yes.
Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
One more time, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Now please find first one. How Tha will come in first? Number one shape. Are we able to find? Is this possible? Can we find
Yeah.
today?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Uh,
Pause.
can I pause?
Go. Yes, I found it.
Where is that?
Thaa.
MashaAllah, how you are able to find very quickly from the whole page?
We look for
It means you are
ourselves.
really genius. Is this
Mm-hmm.
number one or number two?
Number one.
Very nice, mashallah. Please don't forget letters, okay? So,
Uh,
there are letters, different shapes.
letter.
For the alif, only this shape must remember. This shape never comes. Maybe
Why does
1%
it
you
never
see.
come?
This one never comes, okay?
You maybe why this kid maybe scared?
Yeah, scared. That's why it doesn't come. And this one is strong, not scared. Okay? Ba has how many shapes?
One. One.
Ba.
Ba ba
Ba
ba.
has how many shapes?
Two.
Ta has how many shapes?
Four.
Sa
No.
has how many
Six.
shapes?
Eight.
Sa has how many shapes?
Two.
Two. Mashallah. Okay, now without C you have to answer. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I am asking same questions. Alif has how many shapes? One.
Alif has one shape.
Ba has?
Two.
Ta has?
Three.
Ta.
Two.
Look it please. Ta.
Ta.
How many shapes are there?
Two.
Count please.
No. One, two, three, four. Four.
Yeah, Ta
Oh,
has how many shapes?
four.
Again please, how many shapes?
Four.
Which letter have four shapes?
Four.
Which letter has four shape?
Yeah.
Which
I
letter?
did.
Alif, Ba or Ta. Which one has four shapes?
Ta.
Ta. You are genius, mashallah. Sa has how many shapes?
Two.
Very nice, mashallah. Very nice. Very nice.